Guys, you'll never guess what happened. Last night, my dad caught a bear in our backyard. Ooh, look at all those boards. So, the bear literally whipped the metal right off. Don't worry, this is not from the bear. It was already there. Guys, follow me. He literally whipped it straight off. The bear broke the metal. See? Well, I'm at least glad that wasn't us. And he literally dragged the bird feeder down here. And he ate all the bird food. But some of it dropped. And I told my cameraman, maybe now he's a flying bear. So my dad is gonna hang these back up, and there's gonna be a live stream today. And we're not gonna let a bear interrupt our bird feeding. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. How does a bear do this?